Hello, this is Cchadwicka here again for Boy Scouts of America and Girl Scouts of America at scouting.org. This is not an official video, and Scouting.org has not endorsed this video. However, I was a Boy Scout. Today we're going to go over how to find a copy of Windows 10 for free, and also we're going to go over some IPv4 and IPv6 internet addresses and how to connect to your home network and use the internet. So, if you go to google.com, as you can see, it's pulled up at http://google.com. Type in Windows 10 download, and we'll click on this one, the download Windows 10 disk image, parentheses, ISO file, in parentheses, space, dash, space, Microsoft. Click on this. Take you to this page, and this is AT&T Internet 12 megabyte that operates about the right speed. You want to download this tool here, create Windows 10 installation media. Left click on download tool now, and it will say, would you like to save this file, which you do, and you want to save it to your download folder, which is where the pre-configured download files are saved right there. So, and there's that. I recommend you do it on a USB. There's an option, you can put it on disk or you can put it on a USB. If you go buy a SanDisk USB tool at, say, Walmart or Best Buy, then you'll be able to put that installation file on a USB flash drive or USB thumb drive. It's a USB 2.0 is what you want, and you can do that at Walmart or Best Buy. And you want to get one, preferably it's one piece, and it's going to come apart in the middle one piece, and will hang on your keychain, your pocket, or necklace. You want it one piece, preferably with some sort of configuration where it protects the connector from things like lint in your pocket and things like that, hence why flash drives came in with one piece in the first place. So you want at least 8 gigabytes, probably 16 gigabytes maybe. Should be about $10, maybe $15 or $20 the most. And you just put the, download the download tool, put it in a USB drive, and then if your computer fails, you'll be able to boot from the USB flash drive and reinstall Windows, or reinstall Windows at your leisure, according to your phone's preference, I suppose. Let's see, so next we're going to go over some internet protocol and things like that, and if you go to your status here and show available networks, status here, and change adapter options, click on your Wi-Fi, and as you can see, mine is active. It has green right there, as you know, that's what it's connected to. From here, you'll be able to troubleshoot your Wi-Fi internet connection. You can click diagnose, and it will troubleshoot your internet connection according to Microsoft's programmer's preset definitions and problem solvings. You can also right click on the Wi-Fi down the bottom corner and left click troubleshoot properties. This is what my Wi-Fi is operating at, sending and receiving at 72.0 megabytes per second. There are 1,000 megabytes and gigabytes are what your hard drive is measured by. Usually a 250 or 500 gigabyte hard drive is all you're ever going to need, unless you just store an ungodly amount of information like movies or something. So here you see IPv4 connectivity, it says internet. Here you see IPv6 connectivity, it says internet. IPv4 is the old standard, which used 3 numbers, dot 3 numbers, dot 3 numbers, dot 3 numbers. However, there are more websites in the world than that, hence the introduction of IPv6, which is a letter number based string. I believe it's 32 characters. If you look at properties down here, open up this window where you can see, for instance, Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IP. You can go properties and a little bit of that kind of stuff. A DNS server, in case you need one, is 8.8.8.8, and another one is 80.80.80.80. Hopefully those settings should work with these radio buttons filled in. So that's how it should be. And so you know what you're doing, don't mess with it. And for fun's sake, I don't know much about IPv6, but here's the IPv6 and I don't think I'd show you one, but I don't know what that is. So, all kinds of neat things there. It has to do with the internet. Should work by itself. When it's having any problems, you shouldn't need to access that. And here's where you actually get some interaction with your modem slash Wi-Fi server, or router, I believe is what we call them. It says the device is working properly, which I believe it is. 802.11d is the method that it's operating in. There's A, B, G, and N. G and finally N being the latest versions. It has antenna diversity, bandwidth, beacon, interval, multi-channel, all this neat stuff you mess with. Unless your computer's working, you can also get driver details, update drivers, which you can do with separate devices on your computer. So, there we have it. And there's one more thing I wanted to show you. Let's see. I think that's it. Oh, also, if your computer is, if you are not using third-party antivirus software, then you will be using Windows Defender, which is included in the version of Windows that I allowed you to download. If you type in Windows Defender on the bottom left-hand corner by the magnifying glass on Windows 10, you can go here to Windows Defender Security Center, and you'll be able to modify the settings of your virus and threat protection, such as real-time protection, cloud data protection. But more so, what I really I do with it is add or remove exclusions. As you can see, I have my Documents folder excluded from virus scans. I feel like I've been on the internet long enough that I can determine what sort of files are or aren't viruses. In the worst case, I just reset my computer to factory conditions using System Restore or the Windows 10 installation media that I showed you earlier. And just like the last video, we still have our cryptocurrency mining is continued. It's operating at 25 or 28 and 21, those two microchips, and that's very similar to processing credit card transactions. So in Boy Scouts, a lot of things you can get into. Be sure and get a merit badge unless you're going into law, self-defense, or you're going to get a patrol badge like Lightning or something. You can always do something like Pottery or Webmaster or Scribe or any other merit badge. The good thing about it is that, you know, if you're going to go into something like canoeing, for instance, that you can see here, and you're going to decide maybe you want to do the canoeing merit badge for 6 months, a year, 2 years, then the good thing about you is that a little bit of government will come with you, and that'll mean better, safer canoes for everyone. So that's why you are star players. All our kids, sons and daughters. So good luck to you guys, and enjoy that copy of Windows 10. Don't forget to pay your dues, which you can do here under Give, and good luck to you. Thank you.